Hello and welcome to another video that I've put together showing the progress of a painting. This latest one is another water reflections painting, a bit similar to one I've done previously that you can see on the channel. I enjoy the challenge of painting water, capturing the lights and shadows and the reflections and what's going on the surface. Um, so it's hopefully not too long, and I explain a wee bit about the process of painting as I go. So thanks for watching. I'm glazing over the surface to portray the light on the water, but still allowing the reflection below to show through. Glazing is just a thin layer of colour. Colour is diluted with a medium. There is a glazing medium, but I'm using matte medium because that's what I have. And a little bit of white. It just knocks back the strength of the shadow reflection below the water surface. I'm going over some of the leaves because I want them to appear that they are dipping into the water as they float. They're not all going to be perfectly floating on the water surface. So I'm back in here to varnish the finished painting with some satin acrylic varnish. I'm going to use a wide brush and give a couple, 2 or 3 coats, maybe 4. Each coat will be in a different direction. I'll maybe turn the painting in between as well. That way I shouldn't have any misses. Well, that's this one ready to drop off tomorrow to the gallery. And thanks for watching this far, and I do appreciate all the thumbs ups and comments and questions. So hopefully I'll have another video out soon. See you then.